4029's Kyle Lamberger takes a look now at the mental effect of all this destruction that we've been dealing with.
Very dangerous situation.
You can't turn on the news without seeing images of the disasters in Joplin and cities in Arkansas and Oklahoma.
It sends out a lot of panic, so it kind of heightens their awareness of spring weather and tornadoes in general, and kind of makes a lot of folks scared.
Nancy Safranik's foster children rode out the storm in a closet as it ripped through Etna. Even before the storm hit, images of the destruction in Joplin and elsewhere had her worried.
We've all kind of just been holding our breath because there's been so many tornadoes this year.
Now she stays up late, trying to reassure the children.
I usually sit in the rocker in the living room and I keep my ears and eyes open.
This is a very, very large storm and a large tornado.
I flip back and forth through the channels to see what's going on because I know that we could get hit again.
She says the constant coverage of the storms makes her even more anxious.
Even the rain or reports of thunderstorms right now, it's kind of left everybody in shock, and we're waiting for the next one to hit us.
That is normal, says the medical director of Northwest Behavioral Health.
If you've been in a traumatic situation in the past, you're more apt to have a traumatic response to another stimuli.
He worries the repetition will have a greater effect on children.
That constant replaying might make them think that the disaster is ongoing, that they're still in danger.
He urges parents to explain that this is not true.
If you have children, the message is, you're safe, we're going to keep you safe. We've got a plan, we have things under control.
Kyle Lamberger, 4029 News.